Hello, good morning. Welcome. Today we will see the salient features of boric repertory. See, its full name is Pocket Manual of Homeopathic Materia Medica and Repertory. It has two parts, Materia Medica and Repertory. And very important feature of this repertory is this Materia Medica was existing previously and repertory part came in ninth edition. It came in ninth edition of Pocket Book of Homeopathic Materia Medica in 1927. 1927 it came and it was edited by Oscar E. Boric. It was edited by Oscar E. Boric. So it came in ninth edition of Pocket Book of Homeopathic Materia Medica in 1927 and edited by Oscar E. Boric. Oscar E. Boric. Next important feature is it is a general repertory. It is a general repertory. Second, its feature is it has 25 sections. It has 25 sections. If we see the Kent, it has 37 sections. BBCR 54 sections. BTPB 7 sections. And this Boric repertory has 25 sections which starts from mind and ends with modalities. Right? So it has 25 sections. If we see Kent, how many sections Kent has? Kent has 37 sections. Kent 37 sections. BTPB 7 sections. Then BBCR 54 sections. So like that it has 25 sections. Next, many sections in Boric repertory have been rewritten with appropriate expansion. Next feature is entire heading, subheading and specific conditions are arranged in alphabetical order. So what are the headings? Headings, then subheadings and specific condition. Specific condition, these are arranged in alphabetical order. These are arranged in alphabetical order. Right? So these are arranged in alphabetical order. Next important, very important feature of this repertory is all the rubrics which are having large information, or we can say all the headings which has extensive in scope. These rubrics are given under definite caption, or in another word we can say all the rubrics which has very large information are divided into 5 parts, right? And what are those 5 parts? These 5 parts are cause, type, location and character of pain. Then fourth is concomitant. And fifth is modality, that is aggravation and amelioration. So all the rubrics which has large information are divided into cause, type, location, concomitant and modality, that is aggravation and amelioration. So here I am going to show you, suppose, say for example, in Boric repertory under headache is given, and headache rubric has very large information. So here I am going to show you, here headache is written and in front cause is written. If we see ahead, then again the type is given. As I told you, it is divided into cause, type, location. Next we will see location. Here you can see location. On next page you can see location here. So like that it is divided into cause, type, location and character of pain, concomitant and modality. Next is to preserve the uniformity. The technical names of the disease or clinical terminologies are bracketed. Means in front of rubric, after the rubric in bracket, its clinical terminology is given. Its clinical terminology is given. Say for example, here we see example headache. Here you can see headache. After headache, in bracket cephalgia is written. Another example we will see on next page. See here hysterical is given and in front of hysterical in bracket clavus is written. So rubrics are also given in clinical terminology in the bracket. Next is that all the remedies are arranged in alphabetical order. Then next, in Boric repertory you will find the clinical alphabetical index. You will find complete alphabetical index. Alphabetical index. Alphabetical index after the repertory you will find in Boric repertory. Right? Next is its typography. How many drugs, how many types of drugs are given in Boric repertory? So typography, if we see, there are two types. There are two types of medicine. One is italic and second is Roman. Italic and Roman, and italic has 2 marks and Roman has 1 mark. Right? And these italic remedies indicates the more frequently verified clinical remedy. It indicates more frequently verified clinically remedy. Next important feature is many chapters which are not existing in Kant. कई सारे चैप्टर्स हैं जो कैंट में नहीं है बट आपको बोरिक रेपर्टरी में मिलेंगे, और वो चैप्टर्स हैं, व्हाट आर दोस चैप्टर्स? दोस चैप्टर्स आर नर्वस सिस्टम, टेस्ट, लोकोमोटर सिस्टम, नर्वस सिस्टम, locomotor system, taste. These chapters you will not find in Kant repertory but you will find in Boric repertory. So we can say that these are the unique chapters of the Boric repertory, right? So with this we end the Boric repertory. We finish the Boric repertory. Thank you very much.